What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video. And oh my god, you guys, I am literally shaking right now. Okay, I am shook. Today is finally the day that I get to show you guys what me and my cousin Heather have been working on for so long, you guys. And I'm finally going to introduce you guys to my very first collab. So yes, you guys, me and Heather M Cosmetics, which is my cousin's brand, we actually collabed, a XOXO collab. Okay, shout out to the Mirabelles. That's my last name if you guys do not know. We actually did a lash collab because y'all know, okay, sis over here is the queen of lashes. Not to toot my own horn, but lashes, you guys, are my thing. I love lashes. I cannot do a look without lashes. Lashes just bring everything to life for me. They literally take you from 0 to 100 real quick, if you get me. You guys know I had to come out with some lashes. I'm finally gonna be showing you guys my babies, and it's so crazy because I have been wearing them in so many videos and y'all didn't even know, but y'all was commenting. A lot of you were like, what lashes you have on? And I was like literally keeping it a secret for quite some time. Y'all peeped it in my old Sephora haul that I had the red lip and the army jacket. Y'all peeped it in my other Ulta haul that I had the nude with the wing liner. Like, I have literally been wearing these lashes on the low. Oh my god, I'm sweating, girl. I'm sweating. It's a big moment for me right now. Y'all don't even understand. I thought the first time it was nerve-wracking, but it's something about like actually putting them on YouTube right now that I'm just like, yo, this is crazy. If you guys do not know, my lashes actually did launch around Valentine's Day, and I was so sad because I didn't even get to introduce them to you guys on YouTube because they sold out in an hour. Did you guys hear me? In an hour. So I literally only got to put them on Instagram and the promo and all the photo shoot photos because the theme of the campaign, of course, was around Valentine's Day. So that was the theme, and literally, you guys, within an hour they were gone. And they never got to make it to YouTube. So me and my cousin actually had to sit down and do a huge restock. So now officially the restock is here and the restock is now available. So if you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description box exactly to where you can find the lashes, you guys. I have two babies. I have my Autumn Lash and my Primadonna Lash. And so I know you probably are looking at these boxes like, wait, what? Because in the first original launch, we did have a completely different lash box, but me and Heather actually decided to revamp the packaging, you know, upgrade it a little bit and make it a little bit more icy, and I am so obsessed with the new packaging. So obviously I do have on one of the pairs right now, so that's why one of my lash boxes is empty, but do not worry, you guys. Wait till you guys watch the video because I am going to be showing you guys how to apply them. I am going to be showing you them up close and personal, and I am going to be showing you in full detail what each and every pair looks like. So I am super excited about that. Also, if you guys are wondering about the price, they actually are super affordable. They are faux mink and you can wear them up to 25 times. So each lash is $15. They are definitely identical to real mink lashes. Like, that was my goal, to give you guys faux mink, of course, because we are aiming for cruelty free, but to give you guys that real mink type of look, but still keep the price kind of like affordable, if you get me. So I felt like $15 was like a perfect price. So yeah, so if you guys want to see my babies and if you guys want to check out these lashes, then definitely keep on watching. Right now I do have the style Prima Donna on because, girl, that is my lash, okay? Period. So yes, I cannot believe finally today is the day. This honestly feels so surreal. Shout out to me and my cousin Heather for literally like working on this for a while. We literally put our blood, sweat, and actual tears into putting out these lashes. You guys, I was so picky with them. So shout out to her for like working with me because it's not easy working with me, okay? I am the prima donna. So, you know, I want things, you know, like literally down to the T, and she just made it so easy working with her. So we did have our ups and downs even with the photo shoot, but we just managed to push through. like we are raised to do. We are strong ass women. So again, shout out to my cousin Heather. We fucking did that. And you guys, like, the response on these lashes has just been so positive and so amazing. We literally sold out in an hour on our first launch, which is amazing. And I'm just like so overwhelmed with the like positivity and just like how everything is going. That is just like wow. Also, definitely give this video a big thumbs up before you go and hit that subscribe button, and I'll definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm starting off, of course, with my base. I do have some eyeshadow, literally like some bronzer and some highlight in my inner corner. Nothing crazy. And I also do have some foundation, bronzer, highlight, and you know, the rest of my face makeup, because I do want today's I do want the main focus, of course, of this video to just strictly show you guys the lashes, show you guys the packaging and how they look actually on the eyes. And the crazy part is, you guys, I've actually been wearing my lashes for a while and you guys have not even known. So the first thing I want to do, of course, is show you guys the packaging up close. So let's start off, of course, with the Autumn Lash. So I wanted to show you guys really quickly the old packaging. So if anybody ordered from the first release, this is actually the packaging that you got. But if you actually just ordered from the restock, which was on Friday, you did get the new packaging, which I will show you in a second. So yeah, this is our old packaging. This is the Heather M Cosmetics logo, which is so clutch because my cousin's logo actually reminds me of my brand, you know, the little red kiss. So it's kind of like we just went perfect with each other. So this is actually the back of the box. So the back of the box, you do get the logo and then you do get the lash style. This was the Primadonna box, and then it did say my name in the front. And then on the inside of the boxes, we actually did change them to red. But yeah, it was just a basic box. But I wanted to show you guys the updated packaging, and you know, we actually just wanted to just retweak things, make things better. So yeah, these are our new boxes, you guys, and I love them. They are so cute. So yeah, now you actually get a full glitter black box, and it does now say my name in chrome. So you do see Lesleymarie 1213. Then in the back, the lips are now in chrome. I love the black glitter box, you guys. Is so cute. And then this is the Autumn Lash. Yeah, as you guys can see, we actually did add a window to the lash, so you can actually see them. It doesn't look like a mystery box anymore. And the inside, you guys, is just full holographic, which honestly is just like my personality. Sometimes I can be very dark on the outside, but on the inside, I am very rainbow and very bright and colorful. This is the Autumn Lash. My God! Oh my God, you guys, they look fire on camera. Wow. Oh my God. Okay, wait. I'm getting emotional because, like, don't get me wrong, even though you guys seen the lashes in certain videos, I've never got to like be like, boom, these are my lashes. Like, this is such a surreal moment, you guys. I'm getting so emotional. And just having them here on camera and just finally presenting them to you guys, like, I'm gagging right now. It is definitely an everyday lash, and I love them. They honestly go with every look. And even with these lashes, you can wear them with an even dramatic look, and it will not cover your eyeshadow at all, because I know sometimes having a too much of a dramatic lash with crazy eyeshadow, it could tend to cover up all your work. So, you know, that's why I wanted to give you guys some versatility. And of course, obviously, I named these Autumn after my daughter. If you guys do not know, or if you're new to my channel, I do have a 4-year-old daughter, and her name is Autumn. So of course, these being my more dainty everyday lash, I just decided to call them Autumn. And it's so cute because Autumn really thinks that these are her lashes. She's like, Mom, everybody loves my Autumn lash, I told you. And my baby girl is just so hyped. So the fact that you guys are just loving her lash honestly just means everything to me. And then next up, of course, we do have the Primadonna lash, which of course is my baddie lash. Of course, is the lash that literally just takes you to basic bitch to that bitch. And I love these lashes. They're definitely eye-catching. You can, straight from the window, like, you can see, like, ooh, these are really it. Yeah, let me show you guys up close what these babies look like. I'm living for the holographic on the inside. Oh my God. Ugh, these are gorgeous. If you actually have them like in person and you see the curl on these, you guys, they're so curly. I cannot stand a straight lash. That is so ugly to me. I'm so sorry if y'all into straight lashes, but I like for my lashes to have a curl. And the hair on these, I wanted to make this clear. These are faux mink, so they are cruelty free, because girl, I am not about hurting no poor animals. And yeah, you guys, they are faux mink, but they have that real mink look, which is what I was aiming for when even trying to pick out a lash. I hate when my lashes look plasticky, if that makes sense. I like them to really mimic hair. And these, you guys, like if you look at them in person, they are so hairy and so fire. I love them. But yeah, you guys, these are my babies. I'm so excited to finally do this introduction video. So now I'm actually going to be trying them on and showing you guys what each and every lash looks like. So the first lash we are going to be putting on, of course, is the Autumn lash. This is the more natural everyday lash. When you do get your new lashes, I do recommend for you to snip off that little piece in the inner corner, just so that way it would not irritate your eye, or you don't get that like stabby feeling in your inner corner, because I hate that. Is measure them to your eyes. So these are brand new, so these are fresh out of the pack. So these are not measured to my eye yet, so I'm just gonna quickly see how much I need to cut off. So as you guys can see, these lashes will fit every eye shape, because they're literally like, you can cut them to customize them to your eye. But as you guys can see, I did give a lot of room for my girls with really, really big eyes. So you guys can use any glue. Right now, the glue that I've been really liking is actually from the Sephora collection, and this is their brush tip lash adhesive. So I'm literally just gonna brush on the lash glue onto my lashes. As I have my lash glue sitting, I'm actually just gonna really quickly take a little bit of liquid liner, and I'm just gonna line my lash line. I always do this when I apply lashes, just so that way you do not see the skin in between your actual fake lashes and your false lashes. You don't want to see any gaps. You want everything to be blending in, you know, seamlessly. So I highly recommend to tight line your lash line. So I'm not going to be doing a wing, nothing crazy, you guys. I'm literally just going to quickly I'm just going to quickly line my lash line. Okay, so this is with one Autumn eyelash, and of course with just my natural lashes. Do you guys see how gorgeous these are? Like, they literally open up your eyes so much. Just love how they like crisscrossy and pointy. Oof, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys, look at these. They're so pretty and so girly. Look at that. I'm just gonna really quickly finish up my lip and like the rest of my makeup, so that way you guys can like really see what they look like. And then we're gonna put on the Primadonnas. Okay guys, so I did put on my lip, and just so that way I could show you guys like a completed face with the Autumn lashes. And you guys, these are the Autumn lashes. What do you guys think? I am obsessed, you guys. They're perfect for every day. They're so girly and so pretty. I love them. I've loved them from the moment I put them on my eyes. I was like, yes, these are it. We just model them really quickly for you guys, and then we could put on the Primadonna lash. Who want the smoke? Who want the smoke? Who want the smoke? Who want the smoke? It's weird. Who want the smoke? Who want the smoke? Hold up. Yeah. Face dead. Dead. These are the Primadonna.
Touch. Can you do that again?
So fire, so icy, so bougie. Ugh, I love it. I love it. Like, bitch, you can't tell me nothing when I have these lashes on. Like, imagine rolling your eyes at your boyfriend with these. Like, You said I can't have what? Honey, baby boy, do you see my lashes? But do you see my lashes though? Oh. All right, prima donnas, so that was pretty much it for this video. I just want to quickly say thank you guys so much. This will not be possible without you guys. I also want to give a huge thank you to my cousin Heather on even just choosing me as an influencer to collab with. Even though we are family, I just want to say thank you so much for this opportunity. This was honestly like one of my dreams that you just checked off my bucket list. So again, thank you so much, Heather, for actually giving me this opportunity and doing this collab with me. Girl, we did that. I'm so proud of us and how amazing this launch went. Even from the first sellout, even to this restock, like you guys killed it. Honestly, over exceeded my expectations. Also, we actually have some international orders, which is mind-blowing to know that my lashes are literally out of the United States. And like, what? Like, there are people wearing my lashes outside of the US? Like, bitch, what? Because, girl, I don't know what's in the air, but I'm hella emotional right now. But yes, huge thank you to everybody who purchased lashes, everybody who supports my channel, anybody who even just shows love, leaves a comment, leaves a thumbs up, just anything, you guys, is highly appreciated. So thank you guys so much. Finally, I can give back to you, so you don't understand how amazing this feels, because I know you guys have been asking for me to come out with something for the longest now. Giving you back these lashes honestly are everything to me, and I'm just so happy that y'all fuck with them and that y'all actually love them, because that was the biggest concern, obviously, like if y'all gonna like it. And you guys, the response has just been so positive. The feeling is just amazing. Also, if you did purchase lashes and if you do any look, be sure to tag me and Heather M Cosmetics on Instagram, so that way we can repost your look. Of course, we want to see all y'all killing it in the lashes, so yes, be sure to tag me, do not forget. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I love y'all to the moon and back, and until next time, guys, bye.